The PIR motion sensor is used for detecting movements in a place. So it works by emitting the infrared heat signal from the body. So as opposed to the IR infrared sensor, it doesn't emit the IR radiation, but instead it receives it. So whenever it receives the IR infrared signal, it outputs high to this outpin here. So that outpin can be read by the arduino, and here where we can adjust the sensitivity, and here is where we can make it go high or go low when the object moves. So let's go to the Arduino IDE and see how the code works and how we can modify the code. From there we'll then now connect it to the Arduino. So this is the code for the PIR motion sensor. So as you can see, these are all for the LCD, and this is the pin that we are connecting the out of the motion sensor to the pin 7, and also this also for the LCD, and anytime that there is an object movement of an object, the PIR pin gets high and it gets displayed to the LCD. That is what all this code here is doing. And if at all there is no movement, it simply displays no motion detected, and this goes on every 500 milliseconds. So if you wanted to do any other thing apart from printing from motion detected, you can always put it here. You can always write your code here. So that is how you can modify this code to work to your own best. So let's connect the PIR to the Arduino. So for that, let's open this place. Let's connect the ground to the ground on the Arduino. Let's connect the out. Just as we see, out goes to pin 7. Connect it to this pin 7. Then the VCC here goes to 5 volts. So now let's upload this down. Let's connect it to the computer and test. Motion. Okay, let me put it here like this. So if my hand should move in front of it, and see that it says motion detected. So as opposed to the IR sensor, that if the object gets closer to it, that it will just like goes high. This one has to, there will be a motion. So if it detects a motion in the vicinity, so it will simply write motion detected to the screen. So you can, from that code of the motion detector, you can write anything that you want it to do from there. That's it. Let's see, my hand is still, but if you should move a bit more, motion detected. So that is how the PIR work. So assume that somebody passes through, somebody walk in front of it like this, you should be able to detect emotion, and from then, so this sensor is basically used for security system. So they will mount it, they can be two, for better accuracy, so that if someone should pass in between them, then it should get activated, then from them all the other action can be taken. So that is it for this